Sai Ram children, welcome to online session. Today we will do revision of Maths chapter 7 variation. There are two types of variation, which are they? Direct variation, inverse variation. Now what is direct variation? We know in direct variation when one number increases or decreases, the other number also increases or decreases in the same proportion. And what is the symbolic representation of direct variation? It is x varies as y. If x varies directly as y, it is written as x, then the sign of variation, and sign of variation is alpha. Sign of variation alpha, x varies directly as y. And then it is written in the form of equation x is equal to ky. And what is k? K is a constant. It is any non-zero number. K is constant. We also call it constant of variation. So, equation form of direct variation is x is equal to ky or x upon y is equal to k. So, when we say x upon y, it means ratio. So, here ratio is constant. What we have to remember here in direct variation? First is symbolic representation, how it is written. X varies directly as y, how it is written. Equation form x is equal to ky. And remember here ratio x upon y is constant. So x upon y is k, ratio is constant. Second variation, that is inverse variation. Now in inverse variation, product is constant. And when we say x varies inversely as y, so how it is written? X, symbol of variation, that is alpha, 1 upon y. When it is inversely, we have to write 1 upon y. So x varies inversely as y, and that is x is equal to k upon y. And what is k? K is constant. K is the constant of variation. So equation form of variation is xy is equal to k. So this is a equation form of inverse variation. Xy is equal to k. So what we have to remember here? Product is constant and equation form is xy is equal to k, and how it is represented, x varies inversely as y, how it is written. Now you know that we have multiple choice question. So here one solved example is given, that is question given is cost of sugar is directly proportional to its weight. If cost of 6 kg sugar is rupees 270, then how much sugar can be bought for rupees 450? A, that is the options given are A 10 kg, B 36 kg, C 45 kg and D none of this. So options are given 4. From that we have to choose the correct answer. Now some students may be able to solve this directly, but some may not be, or some working is required. So what you are going to do is, you have to keep your study materials, that is the pen, notebook ready with you, and neatly you are going to do the steps in short, so that you calculate the answer and tick to the correct answer, mark the correct answer. So here also I have shown you, I have solved the sums and the solved sum is shown. So first what we will do, we have to take, that is two variables. So here let cost be C and the quantity, the weight is given BW. So cost is C and the weight is W. So in short you can write cost dash C, weight dash W. Then it is an example of direct variation. It is given directly proportional to. So we will write the direct, that is symbolic representation. C varies directly as W. And then the next step what we will be writing is C is equal to KW. And substitute the values. Here we don't have to show all the steps because they are not writing the steps. Just you are doing the calculation part. So for calculation, whatever steps are necessary, that much you do. So we are going to substitute the values. Cost is given 270 rupees and the weight is 6. So for 6 kg of sugar it is given 270. Therefore K is equal to, what we will do, we will divide 270 by 6. So this calculation part is very important, that you have to divide 270 by 6. And the answer is, divide children 270 by 6, 45. So that is your K, that is constant of variation. So in bracket what is written, it is not necessary for you to write, because you are having the time limit in which you have to complete the paper. That is also very important. So the main steps you do. K, that is a constant, is 45. Then equation of variation. C is equal to 45W. Then we will substitute the next thing. What they are given is 450. For 450, how much sugar can be purchased? So 450 is cost, is equal to 45 into W. We have to find the quantity. So 450 divide by W. So answer is 10 kg. Answer is 450 divided by W. Your answer is 10 kg. So which answer we are going to mark? We are going to mark A option, 10 kg. And in the exam, you know that you are having options for all the type of questions. And you have to click to the correct answer. So this working part you have to do. Keep your book ready with you children, with the pen and all, so that you can calculate correctly. Main important thing is calculation to be done correctly, and then click to the correct answer. So understood? If the sum requires calculation, you are going to do the calculation in short. Whatever important steps are there. Not all steps in detail you will be doing, because time limit is also there. Within the time you have to finish the paper. So here we are having multiple choice questions. As you know, we are having multiple choice questions. First question is, pressure of a liquid, and the letter given is P, varies directly as the depth D of the liquid. So this statement is written as. So for pressure, which letter? P. And it is given directly, varies directly. So this direct variation. Depth D. So which is the correct option? It is A1. The answer is A, because pressure letter is P, varies directly, sign of variation, and first letter is pressure P given. So this we will do. And keep in mind, not the B one, because first the letter used is P. So we have to use P, varies directly, as D, A option. So you have to see all the options and click to the correct one. A option, P varies directly as D. B is D varies as P. So there is difference between A and B. And C is P equal to D. And the D is P varies inversely as D. So this is inversely. So you have to see all the options and mark the correct one. Next question is, M varies directly as N. So this is how it is read. M varies directly as N. N is 15. M is 25. If M is 155, then N is dash. So we have to find N. And again here calculation is required. So first what we have to find out? We have to find out K constant. And directly we can find K constant. That is, we know ratio is constant in direct variation. And it is M varies directly as N. So we will be taking M upon N is equal to, substitute the values. M is 25. N is 15. So reduce 25 by 15. Both are divisible by 5. So when you reduce it, you will get 5 upon 3 as K. Once you get 5 upon 3 as K, then we know that equation of variation. And equation of variation is M is equal to Kn. M is 155 we have got. K is 5 upon 3 and into N. Okay, this is into N And then you know that we have to find n. And for finding n, what we have to do, n is equal to 155. Take the reciprocal of 5 upon 3, it will become 3 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, that is 31s are. It is 5 31s are. Then you multiply 31 into 3 and the correct answer is 93. Which option it is? C1. So this I have tried to show you calculation. In exam you do it neatly. Then only you will get the correct answer. So our option is N is, that is C is equal to 93. Next question. S varies inversely as T. When S is 2.5, then T is equal to 24. The constant of variation is dash. So first of all, which variation it is? Inverse variation. In inverse variation, what is constant? Product is constant. So we have to multiply S and T. So multiply 2.5 with 24. So you are going to multiply 2.5 with 24. Then the answer which you are getting, there's decimal also. Remove that decimal also and see the answer what you are getting. It will be 60. You have to multiply 24 with 2.5. Then decimal also you are going to put. The decimal also you are going to remove, that is. And finally the answer which you will be getting is 60. So this is our correct option. So what you have to do is, which variation? Inverse. What is constant? Product. Just multiply the numbers, do the calculation part correctly, decimal part, mark the correct answer. Next is, if m varies directly as n, when m is equal to 154, n is 22, then constant of variation is dash. So here which variation it is? Direct variation. And in direct variation, what is constant? Ratio is constant. So ratio will be m upon n. Ratio will be m upon n. So 154 divided by 22. 154 divided by 22. What is the answer? Divide 154 by 22. You will be getting 7. So which option? B option. M varies directly as n. So m upon n. That also you have to be very careful. Which letter first? M. M upon n. So 154 divided by 22. You will be getting the answer 7. So this is the way you are going to solve multiple choice questions. Though options are given, you have to do the calculation. So you have to do it correctly, neatly you do in the book. And you will surely get the correct answer. Next question is, write true or false. First one, area of a circle and its radius is an example of direct variation. Yes children, what is the answer? True or false? It is true. The reason is, if your radius increases, area also increases. If radius decreases, area also decreases. Next question is, if A varies inversely as B, when A is equal to 15, B is equal to 5, then equation of variation is A is equal to 3B. So what is the answer? True or false? It is? Yes? Okay, so what you are going to do, which variation it is? Inverse variation. In inverse variation, what is the equation form? It is AB is equal to K. So when we say AB, substitute the values. A is 15, B is 5 is equal to K. Right? So it should be 15 multiplied by 5. So multiply 15 with 5, you are getting 75. Right? Your constant is 75. So it should be AB is equal to 75. And here it is given A is equal to 3B. So it is false. The answer is false. Next is, speed of a vehicle and time taken to complete the journey is an example of direct variation. So what is the answer? It is false. The reason is, speed of a vehicle and time taken to complete the journey is same. It means the distance is same. If you increase your speed, time taken will be less. Or if your speed is slow, you will take more time. So it is an example of inverse variation, and here it is asked direct variation. So our answer is false. The given answer is false. Next is, if A varies directly as B, when A is 35, B is 7, then equation of variation is A is equal to 5B. So first of all, which variation it is? Direct variation. A varies directly as B, it is direct variation, right? And in direct variation, equation form is x is equal to ky, right? X is equal to ky. And here it is given A varies as B, so it will be A is equal to kb, right? A is equal to kb. Now your A is 35 and your B is 7. So ratio is constant. We have to find k. 35 divided by 7. It is 5, right? So A is equal to 5B. So our answer is true. Answer is true. So this way you are going to do little bit calculation if required. First, which variation it is? Direct variation. And we know ratio is constant. So k is 35 upon 7, that is 5. Then equation form. A is equal to 5B. So this way you do calculation and click to the correct option, mark the correct one. Next question is fill in the blanks. First one, x upon y is equal to k is the equation form of dash variation. So just now we have seen which variation it is. X upon y, it means ratio. So here ratio is constant. X upon y is k is the equation form of direct variation. It is, answer is direct variation. So first one, direct variation. Second, n varies directly as m, and m is 6.5 and k is equal to 4. Then n is equal to dash. Options are A 12, B 26, C 2.6. Here k is given, which is 4. So what is the equation form? Equation form is n is equal to km. N is equal to, first letter used is n. So n is equal to km. So you are going to multiply k, which is 4, with m, 6.5. So multiply 6.5 with 4 and get the answer. So when you will solve, remove the decimal also, because decimal is given, and you will be getting the answer 26. So everywhere calculation is required, which you have to do it correctly. B is equal to 26. So this is the right option. Next is y varies inversely as x square, and y is equal to 8, x is equal to 2. Then k is equal to dash. Again now which variation it is? Inversely, inverse variation. In inverse variation, what is constant? Product is constant. So product is constant means we have to multiply y with x square. So multiply y, which is 8. X is 2, 2 square. So first we will find the value of 2 square. 2 square is 4. 4 multiplied by 8. So you have to multiply 4 8s are 32. The answer is 32. So we are going to calculate correctly and mark the correct option. It is A is equal to 32. Next is A varies inversely as B. It is given A symbol variation 1 upon B. So A varies inversely as B. A is equal to 3 and K is equal to 30. Then B is equal to dash. So which variation it is? Inverse. Inverse variation, what is constant? Product. It means AB is equal to K. K is given 30. So AB is equal to 30. A is given 3. 3 into B is equal to 30. It should be 3 into B is equal to 30. So 3 multiplied by which number will give you 30? It is 10, right? It is 10. So the answer is 10. So this is the way we are going to mark the correct option. So remember first the equation of variation of inverse variation. It is AB, that is 13. And then substitute the values and get the answer. Answer is 10. B, that is your option is A is 10, right? So this is the way we are going to solve the option, our answers. Do the calculation, click to the correct option. So here we are finishing our revision also. Go through all the presentations, all the revisions, assignments given, practice sums given, and do the calculation correctly. Okay children? So thank you. All the best for your unit test. In a relaxed manner, you have to solve it and click the correct answer. So only main calculation is required. Thank you children.